In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redo in Davinci Resolve. First, let's understand what redoing an action means. Redoing essentially allows you to reverse and undo action. For instance, if you accidentally removed an effect or adjustment, redoing will reinstate that change. This can be a lifesaver when editing, as it helps to keep your workflow smooth and efficient. It's essential to know how to redo actions to save time and maintain the creative flow. Now, if you are using a Windows computer, you can easily redo an action by pressing the keys Ctrl Shift and Z simultaneously. Picture your hands on the keyboard as you press down on those keys. This simple combination is effective and quick, allowing you to redo your last undone action in just a moment. If you are following along, you will notice any changes you made are now back, which is great. This little shortcut saves you a lot of time later, as it prevents you from manually redoing tasks. On a Mac, the process is just as simple. Instead of the Control key, you will use the Command key. So you will press Command, Shift, and Z together. This combination does the exact same thing as on Windows. It restores your last action that you previously undid. Watching the changes appear on your screen reinforces the power of keyboard shortcuts in your editing workflow. This is truly a handy trick to have in your toolkit. Next up, let's explore an alternative way to redo your actions using the menu. This method is beneficial if you prefer using a mouse or trackpad. Start by navigating to the top of your screen where you will find the menu bar. Click on Edit in that menu. Once you do, a drop-down will appear. This drop-down contains several options related to editing functions. Among these options, you will see Redo. Click on that, and just like that, your last action will be reapplied. This method is great for those who are not yet comfortable with keyboard shortcuts. Now that you know how to redo actions using both keyboard shortcuts and the menu, it's crucial to remember that being familiar with both methods can enhance your editing efficiency. Each method serves the same purpose but allows you to choose what feels most comfortable for you in different situations. After you've executed the redo action, take a moment to observe the changes on your screen. You may notice how quickly you can restore your edits. This swift restoration can significantly speed up your workflow, especially in complex projects where you may frequently undo and redo actions. In summary, whether you are on Windows or Mac, or if you prefer using the menu over shortcuts, knowing how to redo is vital in Davinci Resolve. It empowers you to work more fluidly, allowing creativity to flourish without the fear of losing progress. Remember to practice these methods, as muscle memory will make them second nature over time. With that ready, you're now equipped to confidently redo any actions in Davinci Resolve. Enjoy your editing journey, and remember, mastering these small steps makes a big difference in your overall efficiency. Thank you for watching, and happy editing!